How to cut an object in GIMP. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can cut an object on GIMP. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So once you're on this interface, navigate to the top left section, and from there you have to select this icon that says free select tool. Click on it. Once you click on it, now head towards your interface. So here what you have to do is, all you have to do is trace out all the edges of an object that you want to cut out. For example, I have this flower right here, so just let me draw an edges or the line over the edges that I want to cut out. So here I'm just showing you all roughly just to show how it works. If you see this yellow line, that means it is the beginning of the line. So make sure that you notice the yellow color. Now once you do that, again head towards the top left corner, and from there click on select, then go to invert and click on invert. After you do that, all you have to do is either press backspace key or delete key in your keyboard. And there you go. Now you have cut out this object from the image, and that's how you can cut an object in GIMP. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.